Hello and welcome to another Hot Wheels unboxing. And in today's video, I've only managed to get one Hot Wheels. Now, there still hasn't been a restock. Well, I did find two CK's treasure hunts. That means that they only have CK's. Which I'm tired of seeing. I just see CK's every single time I go to the store. It's every single car I've already gotten. So now I have to buy peg warmer. And now, I'm gonna open a Street Shrieker. A new for 2025 casting. Let's open it. And here it is. Very interesting. It's like a sports car. Yeah. I wonder whether it's electric or not. Yeah. And that's it. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.